Good morning to all of you. Today I am here to discuss about the one of the most important topic in human values and professional ethics students, that is the basic human aspirations and family expectations. So let us start. So what is the role of education? It is necessary to know what is the role of education for the human being, for the students, for the professionals. It is very necessary to understand about it. There are the some choices are given below. First is the it to facilitate the earning of money or earning a degree or getting a job. We are you are doing a study. So what is the role of the education? You are getting education from various schools and colleges in various disciplines. So what is the role of that education in our life? Is it to facilitate the earning of money? केवल धन को कमाना है, अर्निंग अ डिग्री या केवल डिग्री हासिल करना है, और गेटिंग अ जॉब या एक अच्छी जॉब पाना है. So the basic human aspiration is the happiness and prosperity and its continuity. These are the basic human aspiration for all human beings in their life, the happiness and prosperity and its continuity. The expectations from education is to facilitate understanding the aspiration, that is understanding what to do. And second thing is the learning the skills to achieve the aspiration. Learning means how to do. मीन्स जो एजुकेशन से एक्सपेक्टेशंस है वो ये है कि हमें क्या करना है, इस चीज़ को समझना है और उसको कैसे करना है, उसके लिए कैसे स्किल्स डेवलप करना है, उस एस्पायरेशन को अचीव करने के लिए इस चीज़ को सीखना है, हाउ टू डू. ये दो चीज़ें बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है. फर्स्ट इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एस्पायरेशन, मीन्स द अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट टू डू, कि हमें क्या करना है, एंड हाउ टू डू, हमें कैसे करना है और उसके लिए क्या प्रोग्राम है. सो और बोथ रिक्वायर्ड और वी कैन डू विद जस्ट वन ऑफ देम. क्या हमें दोनों की ज़रूरत है या किसी एक से ये काम हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस सी. सो डिसाइडिंग व्हाट टू डू or what is valuable, we try to understand here with help of the some examples. Without clarity on the first question, without understanding what to do, even if we are going about doing things in an efficient and effective manner, we are not sure where we want to reach and what is our goal. And we are doing more and more the things, and we are proceeding to ourselves and along the different directions, but and we are achieving, but we don't know what is the correct thing for what we have to make effort. So our program becomes a jumble of choices like the complete school, get admission to a good college, get a degree, get a job, and so on. So we are in zigzag positions like that, in jumble positions. Jumble position means without understanding the correct identification of the directions and what is the valuable for that, we are here. This current positions, the our goal is here. The first point is their goal, and the direction is there, and we are jumbling to here and there. We can see by this diagram that is made in your slide. So while we progress in skills, it is difficult to find out if we are making progress or not. While we are progress in skills, जब हम skills में progress करते हैं, develop करते हैं, तो it is difficult to find out that we are making progress. बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि हम progress कर रहे हैं, progress में है और progress में नहीं है. As a human being, it is important to understand what to do, and what is the valuable for human being, and then how to do. हमें कैसे करना है, इस चीज़ को हमें समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So now we have to understand to both complementarity of value education and skill development. Both are complementary to each other. We need to understand what to do, and we need to learn how to do it. Both are required. And understanding what to do, that provides the value education, and learning how to do, that provides the skill development. So now both things are very essential for the human beings, for understanding what to do and also the learning how to do. So what would be the priority between these two? The priority is the value education, understanding what to do, and second is the skill development, learning how to do. So there is complementarity between values and skills. Both are necessary. And further, we make the analysis of the current state. A little interest in learning, unsure of what they wish to do in life, even in premier situations, under tremendous pressure, parents, peers, and TV. Manifest problems, self-centeredness, acute competitiveness, and insensitivity towards others, indiscipline and violence, addiction to drugs, etc. in the extreme cases, and depressions and apathy towards life itself, leading to suicide. Graduates tend to join into a blind race for wealth and position, so their skills are often used only to accumulate wealth. So other aspects of life, including relationship in family and workplace, so understanding of society and public good remain neglected. Again, so now deciding what to do. हमें डिसाइड करना है कि हमें क्या करना है. First, because first priority is the what to do. That is the part of the value educations. What to do, it is what is important, is what is valuable. So do we want to be able to decide what to do and what not to do on our own right, or do we want to be dependent on somebody else to decide for us? ये हमें डिसाइड करने की योग्यता डेवलप करना है कि हमारे लिए क्या सही है, क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. What is the right and what is the wrong? And do we want to be dependent on somebody? इसके लिए क्या हम खुद पे निर्भर हैं या किसी और पे निर्भर हैं? दिस समबॉडी में बी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, कुछ लोग बताएंगे या कोई ग्रुप बताएगा लोगों का. इट मे बी द सोसाइटी और द एजुकेशन सिस्टम. इसके लिए एजुकेशन सोसाइटी बताएगी या एजुकेशन सिस्टम. इसके लिए हु विल टेल यू दैट what to do, what is the right and what is the wrong by own way. So if we are not able to decide as to what is valuable, what is not valuable on our own right, then someone else is programming us as to what is valuable, what is not valuable, and unconsciously we keep accepting those things as values. We are busy with how to implement them, how to realize them and materialize them. ये हम बिजी हैं इस चीज़ को करने के लिए कि इसको हम कैसे रियलाइज करें, कैसे मटेरियलाइज करें, ये सारी चीज़ें. Okay. So the consequences of unfulfilled expectations from education. Our education is by and large turning out highly skilled job seekers without ensuring definite human conduct. While some are able to get jobs, the graduates are by and large in a state of confusion, not having right understanding, living in opposition, not having the capacity to live in relationship with other human beings, in family or in the larger society, having a feeling of deprivation, not having the capacity to identify the need of physical facility and the skills and practice for sustainable production of more than what is required. So leading to the feeling of prosperity in family. So can we decide what valuable on our own right? Is it desirable for us to decide what is valuable for us, what is meaningful, what is right, what is wrong, and what is the innate in us, to decide what we want to achieve, how do we want to live as individuals, as a member of the family, as a member of an institution, as a society, as a unit of nature. Can we decide these on our own right? This is the issue. This is the essential point. Is this possible? We need to explore into this further. So now, next. Now, so the need for value education. We saw that the first issue is that we need to understand what to do and we need to learn how to do it. To understand what to do, we need value education. Second, in order to ensure this, we need to get into the details of things for which we need a holistic perspective. To develop a holistic perspective, we need value education. So that is the need of value education. So now the responsibility. What is the responsibility of the people or the society or the group of the peoples or the educational systems? So we have to discuss here. We are going to find the responsible point, whom will pay the responsibility for imparting them. So responsibility, this is not just the responsibility of educational institution, but the combined responsibility of the parents and family members, formal education, school, college, etc., society, media, role model, etc. When all three have gone wrong or shaking, where do we start? हम ये समझते हैं कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसी एक की नहीं है, ये सभी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. पेरेंट्स, फैमिली मेम्बर्स की है, फॉर्मल एजुकेशन सिस्टम की है जिसमें स्कूल, कॉलेज वगैरह है, सोसाइटी की है जिसमें मीडिया है, रोल मॉडल्स है, नेता और अभिनेता है. When all three have gone wrong or shaking, where do we start? कभी ऐसा होता है कि यदि ये सब गलत हैं, तो फिर हम कहाँ से इसको स्टार्ट करें? सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद आवर सेल्फ। वेयर एवर वी आर, हमें खुद से इस चीज़ को शुरू करना है जहाँ पर हमें, इन वॉट एवर रोल वी आर इन, एंड वी आर सर्टेनली in one or more of these three roles. So the most effective can be education, particularly higher education, whose graduates are going to start contribution in society shortly. So now in this video lecture, I told about the basic human aspiration with help of the slides, and I hope that you will get the correct points about the basic human aspirations. That is the one is the how to, what to do, and second the how to do with help of the right understanding. One is the part of the value education, how to do, that is the part of the value education, and how to do, that is the part of the how to do, that is the skill development by learning point of view. So okay, so thanks to all of you. Please work it and try to achieve the discussed points. Thank you very much.